Today, I'll show you how to place one video above another using the PIP feature, short for picture in picture. This is great for reaction videos, commentary edits, or just adding some creative flair with layered content. Let's get started. First, bring your main video into the timeline. Now, from the toolbar at the bottom, using the PIP feature, this lets you overlay a second video on top of your main footage. Choose the second video you want to add. Once it's in the timeline, you'll see it appear above your base video. You can resize and move it anywhere on the screen. Pinch with two fingers to scale it up or down and drag to position it wherever you want. Want to adjust the timing? Just trim or extend the PIP clip on the timeline like any other video. Once you're happy with the placement and length, tap the check mark, and that's it. You've successfully layered a video on top of another using InShot. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips made simple.